In this video, I'm going to show you how you can SIM unlock your LG Q7 Plus by Unlock app if your phone is from T-Mobile or metropcs. The unlocked phone becomes very handy if you want to use a different network carrier's SIM, or you are going abroad and you have another SIM for better roaming charges, or you wanna sell your phone and want to get rid of this network restriction to increase resale value. So phones from T-Mobile and metropcs are unlocked by Unlock app, which you can find in your apps from settings. When you open the app, it'll give you the options of temporary unlock or permanent unlock, but if you go with either, the app will show the error that your phone is not eligible for unlock. But we can unlock your phone. So first, you need to get your IMEI number, which is unique in every mobile device, and you can check it out by dialing *#06#. Write it down somewhere, because you are gonna need it to request an unlock code for your phone. Now, go ahead and go to letsunlockphone.com website. Now search for your phone model in search bar and click on the product. I'm going to search for Galaxy S9. On product page, first select the network your phone currently has from drop-down menu, then write your IMEI number. Check your IMEI number twice or thrice to confirm that there isn't any typing or other mistake. Then write your email address and name. After carefully typing all the information, go ahead and place the order, and we'll do the unlock remotely. In given time, we'll send you an email confirming that your LG Q7 Plus has now been unlocked, and we'll send some further instruction. After our email, just connect your phone with LTE or Wi-Fi. Again, open the Unlock app and select the permanent unlock, and your phone will be permanently unlocked and ready to use anywhere in the world. This is the permanent network unlock, and your phone should now connect with any network without you doing anything.